Welcome to another 30 questions, and today I have Julia with me, so let's get straight into it. Who is Julia?
Julia's a property investor.
How did you start off in your property journey?
I started really young,
Yep.
and I started from rent to rent.
What do you love about your job?
I get to do what I want to do when I want to do it. I just need to discipline myself.
Okay, hardest part about your job?
Discipline.
And why is that?
Because you're your own boss. So if I always needed someone to discipline me.
Okay. Accountability, that's important, isn't it?
Accountability is important.
What was your first ever job?
My first ever job, I think it was kitchen porter, washing dishes.
Okay. What's one thing that made you the person you are today?
My mum, the growing up of that.
She your role model?
She's, I wouldn't say so.
She thought about that then. Did you see how she was about to say, oh, is my mum going to watch this?
Yeah, no, but she made me the woman I am today.
Okay. What's your lucky number?
My lucky number?
Do you have one?
15.
15. Favourite part of your day?
Favourite part of my day, the evening I get to reflect on everything.
How has social media impacted your career so far?
Oh, gave me visibility, it's key.
Okay. Favourite clothing brand?
Zara, I like Zara.
Biggest thing you've learnt so far in your journey?
Biggest thing I like so far is it's not always what they make it out to be.
A quote you live by every day?
Okay, every master was once a disaster.
Wow. It's a bit deep.
That's true.
Describe yourself in 3 words. Now, Tej, I don't know whether you've watched Tej's
No.
30 questions. His 3 words were quite interesting. So
Okay.
what are your 3 words?
Humble. I would like to say I'm funny. I don't know if I am. And friendly.
Okay. Guilty pleasure?
Guilty pleasure. Oh, Starbucks, just round the corner. I might go in there.
What was your dream job growing up?
I think it was something like a lawyer.
Okay.
So it stopped being my dream job ever since I went to college.
Okay. Why is that?
Too much paperwork.
Okay.
What is that about?
Favourite childhood memory?
I think it was in the snow when I was building a snowman and
Okay.
going down like sledges on the hill. That was cool. I bumped into my brother, he fell.
Okay. Favourite type of food?
Favourite type of food? Oh, steak.
How'd you have it done?
Medium.
Medium. Favourite music artist?
Right, I don't know. I like music, I like everyone.
So you listen to anything?
I literally listen to anything as long as it's not drum and bass.
Okay. Your best accomplishment so far?
My best accomplishments? Stop caring about what people think about me.
Okay.
It's so important.
Was that hard to get over?
Yeah, so hard. I used to care, like, oh, I can't wear this because people think this of me, or I can't be this person. I'm just me now.
Okay, that's good. Your biggest fear?
My biggest fear is spiders. I bloody hate those. Why
Yeah.
do they have 8 legs?
I hate spiders.
Why?
I'm so bad with them. Small, big, anything at all.
No
I can't deal with spiders. That's Isabella's job. She deals with the spiders. Dream holiday you would love to go on?
Bahamas. I like the pigs in the water.
Okay, you see that a lot on social media, don't you? Yeah. Where is that? Is that just the Bahamas?
Just the Bahamas.
Okay.
It's the first island to apparently sink, so I want to go there first.
Oh, okay. Best thing about living in Southampton?
The work opportunities and the tenants are not that much of a disaster.
Okay. Favourite hobby?
Favourite hobby? I like singing.
Okay, we just had that conversation up there as well. So you sing a lot?
I used to sing professionally back in the day.
Oh, really? So what type of singing do you do?
I do jazz or I do pop.
Oh, okay, that's interesting. Will we be seeing that on any TikTok soon?
No.
Okay. What is your motivation every day?
My motivation every day is to be a better me and to create a difference and make a change.
Okay. That's very deep. It's good.
It's powerful.
It is good. How do you find balancing your social life and your business life?
Does it even exist?
No, it doesn't. Not in my world, it doesn't exist.
No, you could speak to my other half about that. It does not exist.
Okay. Who would you say your role model is?
My role model is, I don't know. It's hard for me to say that. As I said, there's no women in property.
Yeah.
Like that I really aspire to be.
So who do you take inspiration from, apart from your mum?
I think Kevin was my mentor.
Yep.
And he just puts things into perspective. I complicate things way too much. So it's making things easy in life and so common sense sort of thing.
Okay.
So he's the sort of person who I look up to in the aspects of how he thinks.
Common sense is not so common. What is your end goal?
My end goal is to build a neighbourhood.
You said that, didn't you, in the podcast? So you want to get a piece of land?
I want to get a piece of land and build houses, shops and even a school.
Okay. If you could go back to the beginning of your journey, what's the one piece of advice you would give yourself today?
Don't give up, stay persistent and disciplined.
This leads on to a very similar question then. To end the 30 questions, what's one piece of advice you would give somebody who's starting out in the property world today?
Find your purpose and follow it until you achieve it.
Dream big is mine. So there's another 30 questions, guys. See you soon.